Hey everyone! Today, we are walking through two super simple ways to sign in to your Ollama account using its desktop GUI app on Windows. Signing in gives you access to cloud models and synced features without touching the command line. Let's look at both ways to get logged in step by step. Method number one is signing in directly when trying to use cloud models. When you open the application, browse through the model list or launch tab. If you select a cloud model, you will see a message indicating that an account is required. Simply click the Sign In button. This immediately launches your web browser and takes you to the authentication page, where you can sign up or log in using GitHub, Google, or your email. Once you log in, your browser will prompt you with a pop-up to open the app, automatically redirecting you back and connecting your account. Method number two is signing in through the app settings. Go ahead and look at the left sidebar menu at the bottom and click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, you will see your account status listed as Account Not Connected. Right next to it, click the Sign In button. Just like before, this opens your browser to complete the login with GitHub, Google, or email. Authorize the login, click Open App when prompted by your browser, and your desktop app will now show as connected. And that is all it takes to sign in using the Ollama desktop interface.